Never before revealed and sometimes shocking information detailed this afternoon in the Aurora theater shooting trial. District Attorney George Brockler painting the picture of a calculated killer, telling the jury two court-appointed doctors found the shooter to be sane.
And the defense not denying who carried out the shooting, but instead making the case the defendant has a mental illness, specifically schizophrenia. 7 News reporter Marshall Zelinger was in court and sat right next to the defendant's parents during today's opening statements.
For 4 hours this afternoon, I sat right next to the defendant's parents. The district attorney painted him a calculated killer, the defense planning on showing a history of family mental illness. Through it all, Dad nervously rubbed his hands together, but they did not cry. At least 4 jurors did cry at this moment.
This is video of her walking by the concessions area.
District Attorney George Brockler showing jurors surveillance video of the youngest victim, 6-year-old Veronica Mosier Sullivan.
And little 6-year-old Veronica Mosier. That guy shot her 4 times.
Jurors did not show emotion when played this 911 call from inside the theater during the shooting.
Aurora 911, where's your emergency?
Family members and victims, along with 3 jurors, cried while the DA, off camera, showed jurors photos of some of the killed victims as they were found in the theater.
When James Holmes stepped into that theater in July of 2012, he was insane.
About 35 minutes in, the only objection seemed to jostle the courtroom.
He was what we all want our children to be like. Objection.
As childhood video played on the screen, the defense described the defendant as not having a criminal history, not being a bully, and having good grades. By the end of the defense's 2-hour opening statement, as the defense showed medical notes on mental illness, it appeared to me some jurors' eyes started to wander. One of the victims in the gallery was Caleb Medley, sitting in his wheelchair. The DA told the jury they will see him tomorrow when witness testimony begins. Marshall Zelinger, 7 News.
And it was a tough day for a lot of people. The emotions, fear, anger, sadness connected to the theater shooting no doubt resurfacing for so many.
And there's a place in Aurora for survivors and the community to come together. The Aurora Strong Resilience Center at 13th and Peoria is that place where you can go to share stories on how to cope.
And some of that coping happens while even playing pool. About 11,000 people have used the services at this former library in less than 2 years. And we understand that this is a difficult time for our community. We promise to be sensitive to your emotions surrounding our coverage.
And we will do our best to honor the memories of the 12 victims who died, the 70 others injured, and the countless people impacted by this tragedy. In the months ahead, you'll be able to watch the trial live on your phone and tablet with the 7 News app.